Join me as I take on the challenge of making money online fast, and I'll show you my journey as a complete beginner in 2024. Making money online has never been more accessible, especially for beginners. In 2024, the opportunities are endless, and it's easier than ever to get started. When it comes to making money online, one of the biggest obstacles beginners face is information overload. There's so much out there, it's hard to know where to start. You start reading article after article, watching video after video, and before you know it, you're stuck in a rabbit hole of conflicting information and shiny objects. Another major obstacle is fear of scams. It's natural to be cautious when it comes to making money online, especially when you're new. You've heard the horror stories of people getting ripped off, and you don't want to be the next victim. But the truth is, there are legitimate ways to make money online, and I'm about to share them with you. And then there's the fear of not being tech-savvy enough. You think you need to be some kind of genius to make money online, but trust me, that's not the case. You can start making money online with the skills you already have, and I'll show you how. In addition to these obstacles, there's also the fear of failure. What if you try something and it doesn't work out? What if you waste your time and don't see any results? These are all valid concerns, but the truth is, failure is a part of the process. Every successful person has experienced failure at some point, and it's how you learn from those failures that matters. Freelancing is another way to make money online, and it's a great option for beginners. Whether you're a writer, designer, or developer, there are people out there who need your skills. You can use platforms like Upwork or Freelancer to find clients and start working on projects that pay. Affiliate marketing is another way to make money online, and it's a great option for those who love marketing and promoting products. You can partner with companies to promote their products and earn a commission on every sale made through your unique link. Online tutoring is another option, and it's perfect for those who have teaching or coaching experience. You can use platforms like TutorMe or Chegg to connect with students who need help and get paid for your time. But there's one method that stands out from the rest, and that's creating and selling online courses. With the rise of online learning, there's never been a better time to create a course teaching others what you know. And the best part is, you can sell it and earn passive income. I've seen people make thousands of dollars selling online courses. And it's not just limited to experts in a particular field. Anyone can create a course teaching others what they know, and it's a great way to monetize your skills. There are countless success stories of people who have made a fortune selling online courses, and it's an opportunity that's available to anyone. So if you're looking to make money online fast, this is definitely an option worth considering. So to recap, making money online is definitely possible, even for beginners. There are many legitimate ways to do it, from freelancing to affiliate marketing to creating and selling online courses. You just need to choose the method that works best for you and take action. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll dive deeper into advanced online earning strategies.